Our project, the EIT Accelerate project, aims to enhance entrepreneurial capabilities within the academic community. We are focusing on data-driven fields such as educational technologies, financial technologies and health tech, or even exploring the opportunities in the metaverse. The participants of this project, including students and academics, engaged in an online course on data-driven entrepreneurship. It is really great to work together with our partners at the University of Glasgow and the Vrije University of Amsterdam. We always have very energetic and inspiring workshops together.
The reason we focused on data-driven businesses is because one of the things that we noticed was lots of people who are really good at science, data science, computing, physics, all of these different subjects which have applied areas, they were focused on the technical side of their education, and each of these different areas has so many different applications that can be used to start up new businesses. But what we found is students and staff just didn't have the tools and expertise or the time often in order to launch those new venture ideas. So our programme is designed so that staff and students across the unis can do something as simple as an online module which is open to everyone across the whole university and they can do in their own time. Or if they want to go to the Advanced Ecosystem Workshop, they can visit Budapest, Amsterdam or Glasgow and learn how things are done in each of those different ecosystems.
There are great colleagues among our partners, and it is also very exciting to meet international students as well. Specialized workshops expose them to the advanced startup ecosystems and assist startup companies in their development. We are also having a mentor program that provides additional support, aligning university practices with industry standards for scaling up data-driven entrepreneurship.
Stack's role within the ACCELERATE-EEE program is twofold. One is that we're delivering a series of workshops to help build entrepreneurial university. What that means is we are helping the universities to think more like an entrepreneur, to look at the specific needs of entrepreneurs and to help develop support structures that help them turn ideas into businesses, that help them turn businesses into market-ready companies that are able to sell on an international scale. Stack is also involved with setting up a mentor network so that any budding entrepreneurs that want to set up their businesses can get connected to an industry expert, to a successful founder, to a C-level executive in a company that can help them to develop their business.
Corvinus, we are playing a very pivotal role contributing expertise mainly in financial technologies and data-driven approaches. We analyze how diverse data-driven solutions can create business opportunities. Collaborating with partner universities, we are organizing advanced ecosystem workshops strengthening the project's impact. We continuously launch the online courses each semester and we organize the workshops in Budapest, Glasgow and Amsterdam. Notably, we hosted an Advanced Ecosystem Workshop and an Entrepreneurial University Workshop in Budapest, and we've also sent both students and colleagues to the international workshops. The project's beneficiaries are students with great innovative ideas and also our colleagues, the academics, who are seeking to advance their research results to achieve impact on the market. The online courses and workshops provide them with valuable knowledge and skills, fostering an entrepreneurial mindset. By aligning with industry best practices, the project contributes to the development of supportive university systems, including startup incubators, and cultivates an entrepreneurial culture within the academia.